Hey YouTube, this is how to install a vent valve on a one pipe system, a steam system. First, I drilled the radiator plug, and then with the help of the easy out, I remove the plug. After I removed the plug and I inspected the threads, then I proceeded to install the vent valve. My house my radiator didn't have a vent valve on it, so it wasn't getting hot. Somebody installed it like that. I put some Teflon tape around the threads on the vent valve. That's the brand Plumber's Edge, and it's a 1/8 thread. That's showing where the radiator, the vent should be installed. That's the graph. And then I just screw it into it. And I got a first hand tight. Then after that, as it was not straight facing up, I use channel locks to finish tightening it. The radiator has caps, plugs on both sides, and even on the top, if you look in there, at the top it has another plug. They're Allen keys, but I tried with the Allen key and didn't come out. Well, then I stand up the radiator, and I'm ready to go ahead and put it back on the in place. Attach it to the pipe and test it out. There we go. This is an OCS radiator. There's one plug, and then on the other side of it is some more plugs. There we go. You can use either side that works for you.